All right, folks. So Empress and I, we are to guess the answers to some fruit riddles that will pop up on screen. Who will be the fruit riddle champion? Well, if she loses, she's going to get vexed. So I can't bother with the vexing.
No.
When you know she don't win, she just make up her face. Right,
No, I rarely lose, but I'm a good sportsman.
You're not.
I am a very good
Why
sportsman.
did the orange stop?
Why did it stop?
Sit right here.
Where's the question?
That's the riddle. Why did the orange stop?
I think I've heard it. Because it ran out of juice. Touch me. Yeah. What happens to grapes when you step on them? Squish. Grapes turning. They whine. You know. Fruit riddle champion.
Too
you know
long.
this is.
Too
What's the next one?
Why did the banana go to the doctor? Well, only sick people go to the doctor, so I guess the banana was sick.
The banana was sick.
No, tease me or tease.
The banana. It wasn't peeling well.
Did I not just tell you so the banana sick?
I'm chanting the win right now. Clap for me. Clap for me, Ethiopian style. When I win, everybody just say, la, 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 la.
Why
That's
was
not a
the
Miss
tomato
Kitty chant.
blushing?
It
Hey.
is an Ethiopian chant.
The
which
game don't finish.
I want y'all to do when I
but
win.
the game don't finish.
Oh, okay.
Why was the tomato blushing or tomato?
It blushed. It was blushing. It was blushing. Why was it blushing?
Yeah,
Somebody liked it. Because it was going to meet the lettuce. It was about to go on a date with a fruit bowl. It was going to go on a date with the lettuce. Blushing. It saw the salad dressing. I like that one. All right. You got me. Okay, so the next time this game comes
Why
out,
were the apple and the orange all alone?
So there were other things with the apple. There were other things with the orange. Somebody left. Somebody left and left them there by themselves. Somebody left. I don't know. Apple, orange. See, I knew it. I get a point. I was right. Because somebody left. The banana split. It left. It run away. That's why them they are by themselves in the fruit bowl. I get a point for that one. Please, the judges, don't I get a point? I said somebody run away. All right. Why did the tomato go out with the prune? Tomatoes, prunes. What else is like prunes? It couldn't find a date. So it just go with the way in five. I'm a riddle champion. You know I'm really not. You know, to tell you honest, the truth, Jamaica, I'm gonna.
The game going on.
How do you fix a cracked pumpkin? The pumpkin crack cookie?
You said him go doctor with the tomato. I wish.
No, you put a patch. Pumpkin patch it. Patch it. You know I'm not a game person. You know, can I tell you why I know these answers?
Because you're brilliant.
No, I'm not brilliant. It's just that years and years ago, right?
Why did the man at the orange juice factory lose his job?
Why did the man at the orange juice factory, he drank it all. He juiced it off. I don't know. Why did the man at the orange...
He juiced it off?
I'm thinking in my head. Why did the man at... I'm thinking aloud. Why did the man at the orange... He was at the factory. Juice job juice.
And get a job with the banana.
Yeah, at the banana factory.
He couldn't concentrate.
Yes, I should have known that.
You should have,
one.
actually. You should have.
No, because I used a similar thing in a play I was in. Yes. Okay, all right. I get it. What kind of shoes is made from slippers?
Yep.
Banana slippers. All right, I'm the riddle champion, Mr.
Easy. So today's fruit riddle champion. What fruit is square
Oh my
And green.
gosh. Square and green. Green apples. Square green.
Apple don't square.
No, it's different. I don't know. Square and green. Square green. Square.
SpongeBob look square and green.
You know you have children in your life when you say a lemon in disguise.
What?
I did one, but can't get. I can't get it.
What?
This is where I really don't have a clue. Sorry, moving on. A lemon in disguise. I have no idea.
What school subject is the fruitiest?
Math, spelling, school subject, science, fruitiest, chemistry, biology, PE, squash, play squash. I don't know which school subject is the fruitiest.
I have no idea.
History, because it's full of dates. I like that one. Why do people do this though? Why do we have riddles?
Do what?
Why do we have riddles in our life?
I don't know.
To get the brain thinking?
What are twins' favorite fruit?
Twin. Like guinea. Like, you know when you get guinea twins? You ever get a guinea twin?
No.
Nobody's ever had a guinea twin?
No,
Anybody
but
guinea
number
and
one,
twin?
know what is the answer? Guinea?
Guinea. Twin. I don't know. I'm done now. That was easy! It's just because I've lost concentration. I have a short attention span. I can't do anymore. I'm riddled out. Can we just end the game and give me the trophy? And I'm going to declare from now on.
Congratulations.
Thank you. That's so sweet.
You're most welcome.
You know, but there's a problem with this.
What is the
whole
problem?
thing. I have bust my brain.
Yeah.
Right? For this riddle thing. My brain feels fried right now. I have a short attention span.
Yeah.
And now I don't know how I'm going to continue the show. And then I win nothing. I get absolutely nothing from Carrie Ann, my producer. And I want to declare I shall no longer play these games on television unless I'm getting a prize.
You are getting
Because you have to show the children that when you win, you get a prize.
You are getting a fruit basket as a prize. Yes.
For real?
Calm down.
Oh,
Yeah.
I can't believe. Thank you. I'm going to play this. I play every week. I'm going to play a
There
game.
you go.
I love this. Thank you.
Today's fruit riddle champion is Bubbles. So it's a fruitsy morning, folks. Ways to peel difficult fruits is up next. So come stay
My
with us,
new
please.
name. Bubbles.